Hey guys, what is up? Random Video Games here, and today I am gonna be playing White Noise because you guys wanted me to play it. Well, I said I was gonna play it, and all right, so let's play. All right, so yeah. Okay, so okay. Is there anybody over here? The shadows look kind of weird. Like, I don't know. Kind of like there's like, they added like a, I don't know. The sensitivity on this game is really low. What the heck? I'm definitely not going in there. Well, actually, maybe I will. Actually, no. It's not a... What is that? I don't know. That's weird. Oh, this is the part in the... like the picture. Oh, I forgot. We need to find the recordings first. Alright, so we need to get this, and then he will be after us. Because he doesn't want us getting the recordings. Okay. We have a recording. Where's my flashlight? I need a... I can't see! Oh, okay. Okay, where is it? Oh. Okay, there we go. I pressed X. Ah!
Owen!
What?
Don't scream like that.
It scared me! Oh no! Oh gosh. Is he still there? Oh, that scared the crap out of me. Oh, there he is. He's right there. He's right there. Oh gosh. Oh. Oh no. Is he still there? Oh! Oh, sorry. It's scaring me. He's right there. Oh no. He's right behind me, isn't he? Oh, he's not. I regret what I said. I am scared. Oh gosh. I'm glad I'm recording.
Behind you.
My brother said look behind me, so. Okay.
What if he was just standing just right there? When you were turning around? That'd be cool.
That's what happened before. Oh my gosh, okay. Okay.
Standing just
Okay. Where's the other recording?
Oh shoot.
Sorry, Mom.
Wow.
Oh gosh.
Actually scared me.
Oh gosh. Where's the other recording?
What if you went in the middle of nowhere? Why would it be recording?
Oh gosh.
Turn around. Turn around. Turn around.
He's over there. I'm gonna go close to him. buddy. Oh my gosh, I'm so scared.
You hear me? I'm not afraid.
Oh, hi, buddy. Hi, friend. Please don't scare me, otherwise I'll scare you with my ugly face. Oh my gosh. I'm afraid I'm gonna look back and he's not gonna be there, and then I look back to where I was like going, and then he's gonna be right in front of me.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. That's what I was saying.
Oh my gosh, please. I'm gonna go this way. It was like Slender Man, but less creepy. Oh my gosh. Oh no.
I know the feeling is behind you now. But I'm just.
Whoa, no. Hi, buddy. He's not there anymore. He just, oh, he's there. I see him. He's still there. See him on the corner of my screen. Oh, a tape! Haha, I got a tape. You bum. Okay. Where's that guy? He just disappeared again. I kind of want him to kill me because I just want this to be over with because this is scaring the living crap out of me. Hey, buddy. Let's talk about this. Okay, you're trying to scare me and trying to kill me. Why did you kill all those people? And how are you? Oh, hi. You just moved a different direction. Hi. I don't want to look at you because you'll probably scare the crap out of me. Is he still there? Oh! What the heck? What is that? That's a person that died. What? What the heck? I'm gonna stay close to this guy because this guy's my friend now. That was weird. I did not know you could do that. Like for a second I thought I was playing online. I don't know. That is weird. You know what? If I'm gonna die, I'm gonna die with my friend.
You are 10. 10 recordings.
Well, 2 was my world record. 2 world record. Okay, Screams 1. Replay. Okay, let's watch the replay. The replay is so funny. Okay, so I'm just like staying there and then walking around, just talking, and it's so boring. And I don't know what I'm doing. And then I think I found the tape there or something. I don't know. This was like the most boring part. And I found a tape, and then I saw him the exact second I found the tape. Running away. Go to like the exact spot, and I find him in the same spot. And then I see him again. So I go over there. And then I go back there. He's like, and then I found that, and then I see that weird guy. And I see him again. And I die. That was weird. I did not know I saw that guy. Alright guys, so that was White Noise. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I will see you guys later.